How do I fix an infinite loop in my algorithm? Imagine writing a program that never stops running, no matter what you do. That's what an infinite loop is. It keeps executing endlessly because the exit condition is never met. This often happens when the logic inside your loop isn't set up correctly. To fix it, you need to figure out why the loop never ends. Start by understanding what your loop is supposed to do. Look at the condition that should stop it. For example, if you have a loop that runs while a counter is less than 10, check if the counter is actually changing inside the loop. If it's not, the condition will stay true forever. Common causes include the loop condition always being true because of incorrect logic, or the variables controlling the loop not updating properly. Use debugging tools to step through your code. Set breakpoints at the start of the loop and watch how the variables change with each iteration. If the variables stay the same or the condition never becomes false, you've found your problem. Adding print statements inside the loop can also help. For example, print the value of your counter each time the loop runs. If it never increases or decreases, you know where the issue is. Next, double-check your loop condition. Make sure it will eventually evaluate to false. For instance, if you are counting up, ensure your counter increases each time. If you are counting down, make sure it decreases. If the condition is wrong or missing updates, the loop will run forever. Also, verify that any external variables affecting the loop are changing as expected. Sometimes, a variable outside the loop might not be updating because of a typo or logic error. Fixing this can stop the infinite cycle. If your programming language supports exception handling or timeout features, use them to catch runaway loops during testing. For example, some languages allow you to set a maximum number of iterations. If that limit is reached, the program can break out of the loop. Finally, review your algorithm's overall logic. Sometimes, an infinite loop is caused by incorrect assumptions or missing steps. Revisit your plan and ensure that your loop's exit condition is reachable based on your algorithm. By carefully inspecting your loop condition, monitoring variable changes with debugging tools, and making sure your logic is sound, you can fix infinite loops efficiently. Remember, the key is to find out why the exit condition isn't being satisfied and correct the variables or logic that control it. This approach helps you become better at troubleshooting and fixing logical errors in your code.